Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step-by-step process how we can easily have multiple charts on Tradingview. So when you would come here on the Tradingview, what do you need to do? You need to come on a right top next to the unnamed. Then there's going to be like this arrow pointing down, manage chart layouts. You want to click on it. And then you want to click new chart layout. Let's say that you have a new chart layout and I'm going to have Tesla here, right? And what you can do pretty easily, how to like load another one, is to again click on an arrow, load chart layout, and you're gonna have like the layout names here, your layouts. And I'm going to like, this is Tesla, so I'm going to open Apple right here. And this is pretty much it. And then I would like come here, then I would come here. And yep, that's pretty much it. What you can do and how you can have like multiple charts on Tradingview. And never forget, this is the real secret of life, to be completely engaged with what you're doing in the here and now, and instead of calling it work, realize it is a play. Thank you, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.